Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share some of the things that I like to do as part of my self-care. So if you wanna know, keep on watching. I really like to try my hand at cooking every now and then. Today I'm making very simple gluten-free, dairy-free pancakes. I'm chopping some bananas and then mashing them with a fork. I see some people use a mixer, but I like it this way, it does not get too runny. Next ingredient is oats. I grind this old-fashioned rolled oats into a powder and then add it to the mix about 1.5 spoon. Cracking an egg into the mix. Some essence, preferably vanilla, but I did not have it, so I'm using butterscotch essence. Mix everything well. Lastly, I'm gonna add some chocolate discs. You can skip this completely. I'm using Ditch the Guilt sugar-free dark chocolate disc, about 5 to 6 of these. And then on a non-stick pan, I have added some coconut oil and added about 1/4 cup of the batter. Let it cook on each side for like 3 to 4 minutes each, and then you can add whatever toppings you want to add. I am going to do bananas and honey, but you can do anything you like. You can add walnuts, any kind of dry fruits. You can also add berries. You can add nut butters, and you can also add butter onto it, which tastes amazing. So yeah, this is our gluten-free, dairy-free pancakes ready. Recently, a friend of mine suggested me to try coconut milk on my hair, and I decided to give it a try. I am applying homemade coconut milk on before shampooing my hair all over my scalp and the lens. Coconut milk is a natural fatty acid, which means it will give rich moisturization to your strands and protect your damaged strands from breakage. I keep it on for about 30 minutes before washing it off. Meanwhile, I decided to organize some of my jewelry into this new organizer that I got. I got it from the market, but you can easily get such organizers on Amazon. All my earrings and necklaces were really messed up in the drawer, and I was not finding anything that I wanted to wear. So I really needed something to like sort out everything, and I think this organizer really helped me. Not everything fit in this one, but I will need to get one more of such box to fit all the jewelry that I have. Now I'm quickly going to do my skincare, and then we are going to give my clothing rack a makeover over there. There's a little something that I want to do to like give it a little bit more of a fresher look, like doing a few new things to like just keep it fresh and new. So yeah, we're gonna do that after I do my skincare. What I'm going to do is just apply some aloe vera gel on my face. I'm applying so much of aloe vera gel on my face. And basically I'm not using any moisturizer because these days in Mumbai it's so humid that my oily skin just like cannot take it. So I'm just using a good aloe vera gel, and I think it's working great for my skin so far. Now I am only going to apply a little bit of lip and cheek tint because I am shooting this video, otherwise I would not have done that. But yeah, just for the sake of this. This is all I needed. Now let's get to the makeover part. This is the clothing rack that I was talking about. So I want to give this a makeover by just putting LED lights all over here, like all over these rods, and then I will put these flowers that I have. These are artificial flowers, so I'm gonna put these flowers in between like the LED lights, and I think it will look really nice. So let's try that. I will be using these LED lights which we get These are in white color, and I have a hot glue gun, not this. I have a hot glue gun, so I will be using this to stick the flowers. And for the LED light, I will be just putting them like a rope all around the rod. And this is the final look. I really liked how it turned out, and it gave my boring white rack a little bit of a makeover. And for some workout, I attended my sister's stretching class. We were doing lunges and back flexibility exercises. I do strength training for about 3 to 4 days in a week, and once a week I do such flexibility exercises, which really helps my body recover faster and be more flexible. And honestly, it makes me feel so much open and so much less sore after the strength workout that I do. I just feel that my body needs these stretches. And for 1.5 hours, we are just doing these drills. So I really appreciate these classes. And honestly, if you are somebody who's doing strength training, you should definitely stretch your body out, because there's so much of tension and there's so much of soreness that builds onto the body, which I think stretching really helps ease that out. I really wanted to keep the volume on for this videos, but then we had some background music playing and I will get some copyright issues, so I did not. And here is my sister being the instructor and teaching everybody how to do it, and I'm just demonstrating it for them. Honestly, it has taken me so long to get comfortable in this bridge pose. Only after I got some shoulder strength and after doing these drills for so long, I'm able to do it. All I want to say is that good things take time, and you need to be consistent and disciplined in your workouts or whatever activity that you are doing in order to show or see progress or results. And with this, we come to an end of this video. If it has helped you or motivated you in any way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.